Hi guys, welcome to your science lesson with Miss Kristensen. This week we'll be studying living things and what it means to be alive. Our learning objective this week is, I can tell the difference between living and non-living things. So what does it mean to be alive? Take a moment now to tell the adult that you're with what you think it means to be alive. Use the sentence stem, being alive means. There are living things all around us. When I went on a walk this morning, I saw tons of living things. I saw dogs, trees, lizards, and some people. But how do we know all of these things are actually alive? Scientists who study living things are called biologists, and biologists have studied all kinds of living things, and they've discovered that all living things have two things in common. The first thing is, all living things have basic needs. People and animals need food, water, air, and shelter. Plants need sunlight, water, air, nutrients, and room to grow. The second thing is, all living things reproduce. To reproduce means to make more of. When living things reproduce, they make more of their own kind. For example, plants make seeds that will grow into more plants. Birds lay eggs that will hatch into baby birds. Dogs make puppies, and cats make kittens. Let's talk about movement. Most living things move in some way. But do all living things move? Is everything that moves alive? What do you think? Shadows can move, but they do not have basic needs. Shadows are non-living. A wind-up toy can move, but it does not reproduce. A wind-up toy is also not living. A tree cannot get up and walk around, but it does reproduce and have basic needs. A tree is living. Remember, all living things can reproduce and have basic needs. Are you ready to test what you've learned? I will say 7 different things, and you say living or non-living. Cloud, earthworm, squirrel, fire, rock, robot, frog. Great job! Let's review. The earthworm, squirrel, and frog are all examples of living things. They all have basic needs and reproduce. The cloud, fire, rock, and robot are all examples of non-living things. They do not reproduce and do not have basic needs. Scientists, you have 2 assignments this week. The first one is to take a picture or illustrate 2 or more living things. These things could be from in or around your house or from your imagination. Your second assignment is to take a picture or illustrate 2 or more non-living things. Just like the living things, these things could be from in or around your house or from your imagination. Have an adult help you upload these pictures or illustrations to the Google Classroom. I hope you have a great week of learning, and I cannot wait to see what you discover as a scientist. Thanks for watching your weekly science lesson with Miss Kristensen. See you next time. Bye!